So a while ago, a bunch of my friends asked me to start making more content, which I did start doing. But, it got kind of—
Shut the fuck up and get to the point! Okay, we're playing Teardown. Ah!
Holy shit, they shot Trump! Ah, Jesus Christ. Dump at least 3 of Gordon's expensive cars in the water. That's not gonna be hard at all now, is it?
Hello? Hello? Is anyone in here? Are you fucking kidding me? Really, you monkey?
Okay, so where are the cars? So we have at least 3, so we're gonna get this one. And that one. I can do this easily because I know how to fuck shit up. Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, I do have mods, and I'm gonna use this. Cry about it. This mod is epic, from what I'm seeing. No, I'm stupid. So, where's the other car though? Okay. Okay.
Let's go, motherfucker! God damn it!
Bam! Fuck you! No. There it goes! There's one!